Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions India, where innovation meets precision. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of helical bracket welding, brought to you by Nikit Engineers. Helical brackets are critical components in various industries, from automotive to aerospace, demanding utmost accuracy and durability. That's where Nikit Engineers steps in with cutting-edge welding automation solutions. At Nikit Engineers, our team of skilled engineers combines expertise with state-of-the-art technology to revolutionize welding processes. With meticulous attention to detail, we ensure every helical bracket meets the highest standards. Our robotic welding systems offer unparalleled efficiency and consistency, reducing production time while maintaining exceptional quality. From initial design to final inspection, Nikit Engineers guarantees excellence at every stage. With Nikit Engineers by your side, you can trust that your helical brackets are built to withstand the most demanding environments, providing reliability and longevity. Experience the future of welding automation with Nikit Engineers. Stay tuned for more insights into our innovative solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching.